As you can see, it's absolutely filthy. Had one of them Space Saver polystyrene wheels, and I think there's been a mouse in it that's ripped it all up. Give it a good hoover now, get my seats back in. Got all the interior nice and cleaned out now, carpet and what have you. Gonna give all the plastics a good clean now, and then getting ready for some Plastidip. I think I'm gonna try and dash flop this though. This and obviously all this bit here, and the door cards. Right, gonna give these a clean, got some degreaser, brush, and just a cloth to dry it off with. Let's make a start. Call that it for a day now. Next one, all Plastidip there, and I'm also going to try Plastidip this roof liner, headliner. With it being material, the paint should soak into it and it'll remain flexible whilst giving me a nice modern look. Right, got just about everything set up now. Turn my garage into a little spray booth. I'm going to start with the headliner because I've only got 4 stands. I'm just probably going to do a couple of pieces at a time, wait until they're done and then move them out of the way so they can dry, and then move the next pieces in. Going to mix the paint, got the hose there with my little machine outside so it breathes fresh air, which is important if you're in an enclosed area. Got the garage cracked just ever so slightly to release all the fumes and whatnot. Got my mask, got my full dip paint. It is full dip Negro 4 litre black. Got my spray gun here as well. It's the Earlex MS3000, I believe it is. Gonna mix the paint and get it in the can and then start spraying. Right, got quite a few coats on the headliner. That's looking very good. All these plastic bits here. Try and get there. You still sort of see the texture in the plastic. It's got the lines in it, that one. Which one's got the little dots? That one. It's going to make the interior look a damn sight a lot nicer. Them ones, I've only just done them ones, so they're not quite finished actually. Side skirts, well, steel skirts even. It's a bit wet on the middle there still. This is looking really good. That's what it was, and that's what it is. I like. If you are doing this, a well vented room is a must. I've had to open the garage even more because it's stinking the house out. It's going through the door and everywhere. Mask, definite must. If you've ever done it without a mask and blow your nose afterwards, you will see. Right, got it all finished now. Looks pretty good from what I can see. Just finished cleaning my gear, so I'm gonna call it a day, let it dry out overnight, and then we'll put it in the car tomorrow, and hopefully the results look somewhat decent.